Hello, what is up everyone? Alexandrus here, and today I'm bringing up to you something very special, a platform which is affiliated and collaborated with PrimeXBT. And before we just get into that, I want to talk about altcoins a bit. So as you might know, altcoins are getting more and more popular these days. Altcoins that already have utility have the biggest potential for the growth, as we all know. Now is the time to show what developments and what products are backing various altcoins. And today we will take a look at the Covesting platform, which, as I said, is partnered with PrimeXBT. So Covesting is a global fintech company incorporated under the laws of Gibraltar, which offers the broadest array of software solutions for retail and institutional customers worldwide. Covesting has become one of the world's first companies to receive a distributed ledger technology license, in short DLT, from regulatory authorities in Gibraltar. And you can see the whole license on the Gibraltar's Finance Service government website. So as you can see, I'm on it to just verify that quickly for you. And as you can see, here we have the DLT providers. And for example, we have some sites here, but the one which is interesting for us is obviously Covesting International Limited. And as you can see, they are indeed verified here. Okay, let's get back into the Covesting website here, and let's talk about it a little bit more. So, Covesting is the developer of the Covesting platform. The Covesting platform connects traders with the followers, allowing them to profit alongside one another for mutual gain. Traders earn a portion of success fees from followers' equity, while followers can enjoy hassle-free trading by following other traders' successful strategies according to the company. So, long story short, you put your money in, people trade for you, you just take profits. It's really simple as that. And here is the Covesting website. The link is down below in the description, of course. You can see some traders, their returns, their ratings, all that kind of stuff. Those are all real people here. There is also some quotes from many financial blogs such as Yahoo Finance or MarketWatch. And then if you actually go down here and if you go to the About Our Company, you can see the people behind Covesting company. Here we have the CEO and founder, COO and co-founder, and the transparency disclosure here. As you can see, they are established in Gibraltar, as we talked about it. Here is the official address in Gibraltar's World Trade Center. And yeah, I showed you the license. I can actually give you the link down below as well, so you can just have a look at it. And yeah, okay. They also have a token, but before we get into the token, there is a short video on PrimeXBT's Twitter page, which kind of explains how Covesting works, so let's watch it together. You can also follow my Twitter. I wasn't like plugging it or shouting it out, but yeah, if you want, then I guess you are free to do so. Okay, let's get into that.
So, you want to invest in the cryptocurrency market, but you don't know where to start? Welcome to the Covesting module on PrimeXBT. The Covesting module helps investors and talented cryptocurrency traders find each other. With an easy-to-use interface, you can compare and replicate successful strategies with a proven track record. You can follow multiple trading strategies to diversify your risk. Covesting module on PrimeXBT. They trade, you profit.
Simple as that. I'm gonna hit the follows on their pages. Okay, so they also have a token. It's called Covesting, obviously. Okay, let's refresh that really quick. They are on CoinMarketCap, as you can see. Normal volume for a new project, 100,000 USD of volume. They are even trading on Uniswap because it's a token. So yeah, you can get it via Uniswap, and that's really cool in my opinion. And it's pretty cheap, 36 cents. And as you know, with those governance or like project tokens, there is usually a high chance that they can go up in price. And as you can see, Covesting was even up to, I don't know, like it was at a big prices, okay? And it definitely has a potential to go back, so it is kind of on sale right now. And with such big partnerships as PrimeXBT partnership, I think that it has a chance to blow up, kind of. But anyways, it's not typically about the token today. However, just a few words about it. So Covesting has revealed the benefits COV token holders will gain access to by holding the utility token designed for the copy trading platform. COV token utilities will be split between core and secondary token utilities. Covesting's business goals include partnering with other third-party platforms in the future via white label licensing agreements, in which additional utilities will be designed with key partners in mind. With very limited supply of only 18 million circulating. And here you can see this, only 80 million circulating supply. And 50% of the supply is held by strong hands, so that's also amazing. You can verify all of that on the Explorer, obviously. If you want to, then why not? You can do it. I guess I can show you. Holders, here you can see some of them. So yeah, that's how it looks. Okay. What I'm gonna talk about now, maybe what is the COV token and what utility does it to unlock on PrimeXBT. So the COV utility token is an Ethereum-based ERC20 token designed to bolster the benefits that Covesting offers the trading community. COV token is not available in the United States or other jurisdictions where transactions in such ERC20 tokens cryptocurrencies as COV are prohibited by law. As you know, it's getting kind of crazy in US when it comes to crypto, unfortunately. Thanks to COV utility token integration, all users are now able to benefit from the following incentivities within the Covesting model at PrimeXBT. Improving success fees for followers. All successfully settled copied trades in profit include a success fee share split between the follower, the trader, and the platform. With COV tokens, every follower will be able to improve the percent split in their favor. So that's great. There is no entry fee for the followers, trading fee discount for strategy managers, COV token burn program, so the Covesting team will burn a portion of the fees generated by the Covesting copy trading model. Obviously, what it does, it reduces the supply. And what comes with the reducing of the supply? Bigger price, long story short. Okay. There are still many features when it comes to Covesting and their token. So for the best informations, I would strongly advise you to join their Telegram, where I learned a lot about it myself. The Telegram is at Covesting, and the link is down below under this video. And if you want to buy the Covesting token, then you can go and buy it through the KuCoin, also very reliable exchange, which I was already showing you on my channel, and they also had some new features going on. So yeah, KuCoin definitely nice exchange to buy the Covesting token on. Then we have obviously the Uniswap as well, and bunch of other markets. These are Yobit and HitBTC. Okay. So here is the actual Covesting page on PrimeXBT, and as you can see, you can follow those traders. Some of the profits are just insane. For example, this guy, that's crazy, 11,000%, and as you can see, the followers' equity speaks for itself. So 82 bitcoins invested into this one guy, and as you can see, some of them are generating insane profits like this, 42% a day. 20% in this day. Obviously, there are some losses. These guys are still people. Obviously, these are not bots. So those are real people which you can follow. And I'm personally interested in this and this, if you want to ask me. So I might actually deposit something and try this out. Let's see what the offer is. 60% for the follower, 20 for the platform, and 20 for the manager. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, they are generating some nice profit, and you can follow them by clicking this follow button here. So that's how you do it. Yeah, pretty simple, pretty easy to use. Also, there is no KYC if you want to withdraw less than 2 bitcoins when it comes to the Covesting. If you want to buy the Covesting on KuCoin, it's worth mentioning that you don't need to go through the KYC if you buy up to 2 bitcoins. Over that you need to, but technically I think you can like withdraw 2 bitcoins every 24 hours, something like that. You need to figure it out by yourself or just simply buy through Uniswap. It's way easier. So summarizing it all, you can visit the Covesting site and make your own research about it. There will be also a promo code bonus under the video, and you can get 50% on your deposit. So you can get some free cool money to get started with, and you can also try following the traders, but always remember that the trades past performance doesn't guarantee any future results, okay? So please evaluate how long the published strategy has been active on the platform. The newer the strategy is, the more risk it carries, obviously, because you have less statistics about it. And following strategies can result in a significant capital loss, so be aware of that, guys, okay? I'm not your financial advisor. You always should make your own diligence, your own research, okay? And once again, do not invest funds that you are not ready to lose. Following the strategies is very risky. And some of the reasons to hold co-vesting: trusted team, limited token supply, licensed company, token under the radar, partnership with solid trading platforms as PrimeXBT, great utility, token burns, strong community, and top TradingView analysts' recommendations. So that's another cool token that you can have a look at and make some profit with, or otherwise you can just get into the co-vesting and copy trades of your favorite traders. So yeah, that's it for our today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I was Alexandrus. This was video about PrimeXBT and co-vesting, and see you in the next one, coming out soon.